Fish on again. Welcome back. We're back again, friends. Here at Napa. It's raining, so I'm kind of covering my phone. Had a little action. Just got here about an hour, and it's around almost 10 right now. Small, but look like a keeper, huh, honey? Yeah, it's a keeper. Walk this way. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a keeper. It's like, ooh. You're gonna get your son all dirty. It's like 21, 22. Oh. Darn it. Nó tội ôn. Mà bộ bong quạt đong pi mụ đong pi rồi. Này. Here, come and take care of your pole. Okay, thank you.
I don't know, keep or not.
Nothing on it. You gave me an empty pole. No fish. Weird. I'm just gonna.
Căn này bóng đỏ. Yeah.
Yeah.
Quay nó mụ.
You gave me a pole with no fish. Đâu đâu hả?
Yeah, mở khăn vậy.
Oh, in the middle?
Yeah. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Napa River.
Maybe. Oh, my phone's all dirty. Look at my son. Poncho cover all his seat. Napa. Tide's coming in. Incoming tide. But it's muddy. We're coming in. And I don't think tide stopped right now. No. And this is our bait. You guys see it already. It's bloodworms. Right there. Haven't been out fishing for a week already. And here is the bait. See it? This is the bait.
Hello, bố tôi. Alan, đang say. Mày ai tập bố họ đăng. Tập bố miền nào kênh chẳng hắn nữa nè.
It's a little chunky. It's not all that small. It's like 21, 22, around there. Oh my gosh, it's so muddy. Left my stuff on the pen. Just a start. Small action.